Hey all, and welcome back to my messy garage. Today I'm going to try something different. I've hired a car detailer or valeter to come out and clean the red car. So I'm going to see how it goes, whether he'll do the job, and I'm going to record it because I'm hoping he says yes and it comes up absolutely spotless. And yeah, let's see what happens. Let's see if he says yes. Cool. Alright, I'm going to leave the camera recording because I want to catch his reaction. That's what happens when he comes in. So, see ya. Kit car. Yeah, it's a little mini Porsche kit car. You're going to love it. So,
right. Okay. Yeah, whatever. I'll play till you can do it.
There you go.
That.
Yeah, that. Yeah,
You
yeah.
said it was a kit car.
It was. It is. I just need it in. Can you do it? Can you clean it? If not, mate, I'll understand, and I'll give you your money because I give you your dues. But
Do you take this on the road?
yeah. It's road registered. He'll keep it.
Yeah, I can do it.
You can do it. Hey, he said he'll do it, guys. Look at that.
Oh, he-
Dean's clean detailing. He said he's going to do it.
I can do it. Yeah.
All right,
Brilliant.
let's get it out,
Early day for me.
and we give it a go. Let's get rid of some swirl marks, shall we, guys? We're just going to back it out manually.
Drives. So let's just have a look.
I think it's safe to say you will all agree Dean has done an amazing job on this red car. Just the shine is spot on and I absolutely love it. So check out Dean's Clean Detailing and also check out RiiRoo.com. That's where I purchase all my cars from. All these little ride-on cars projects I have, they're all from RiiRoo. Definitely check those out and check out Dean's Clean Detailing on Facebook.
So guys, we're done. Dean agreed to do it. He's done an amazing job. I've never seen this car shine so much. Dean, if people want to look you up now, where's the best place to find you and get in contact with you?
The best place is on Facebook and my Dean's Clean Detailing page, or give me a call on 07956 568 755.
I'll put that number below if I've done it correct. We don't know, we all know I'm a bit useless at this, but we get it down. Dean, mate, I've got some fantastic shots and recorded using 101 different products today and everything. Can you tell us a little bit about what you've used today?
Yeah, well, there's been various different levels of compound used on the body with various pads for the polishing. Obviously, this not being a normal car paint, it's been a little tricky. So I generally would use sort of get it right and use one pad and one polish, but this has required a few bits of other pieces. Some of the dressings and the cleaning products are kind of my own.
Yeah.
They're a mix of different products in my own ratios, and the final ceramic is Coating Farm ceramics, which are the only ceramics I would use.
Fine.
Totally accredited with them, and because they're the best on the market.
Brilliant, cool, that's exactly, yeah, that just sounds fantastic, and I just love the work you've done, and I can see why you've got faith in this stuff. So, have you ever done anything like this before?
No.
No, fine.
I do cars, I do motorbikes, I've never done toy cars.
Technically it's a car now, it's not a toy car anymore.
I did detail my Henry Hoover, and that looks amazing for a Hoover. But
So, right, on that note guys, I'm going to end this now, but I'm going to do one last thing. Dean, do you want to go?
yeah, damn
Right.